Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we will be discussing how to create and edit pages in WordPress. WordPress is a popular content management system that powers millions of websites worldwide. Whether you're starting a blog, an online store, or a business website, WordPress is the perfect platform to create your online presence. So let's get started. Step 1. Log into your WordPress dashboard. First, log into your WordPress dashboard by entering your username and password. Step 2. Navigate to Pages. Once you've logged in, you will be directed to the WordPress dashboard. From here, navigate to the Pages section located on the left-hand side of the dashboard. Step 3. Create a new page. To create a new page, click on the Add New button located at the top of the page. This will take you to the page editor where you can begin creating your page. Step 4. Add content to your page. To add content to your page, use the blocks available on the editor. You can add text, images, videos, and other media to your page. You can also choose to use pre-designed templates to make your page more visually appealing. Step 5. Publish your page. Once you've added all the necessary content to your page, click on the Publish button located on the top right-hand side of the page editor. This will make your page live on your website. Step 6. Edit an existing page. If you want to edit an existing page, navigate to the Pages section of your dashboard and find the page you want to edit. Click on the page to open it in the editor. From here, you can make any necessary changes to the content on your page. Step 7. Save and update your page. Once you've made your changes, click on the Update button located on the top right-hand side of the page editor. This will save your changes and update the page on your website. That's it for today's tutorial. We hope you found it helpful and easy to follow. WordPress is a powerful platform that can help you create a beautiful website without any coding skills. With these simple steps, you can easily create and edit pages on your website. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.